Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design. I'm talking this month about dahlias and visiting the beautiful gardens at Pashley Manor, not too far from me on the Kent East Sussex borders, to have a look at some of their dahlias and how they use them. Dahlias have been out of fashion for decades, but now they're right back on trend. And with such a variety of flower colour and size and shape, and ranging from 30 centimetres to eye level, who can blame us? I really like the way they're used here at Pashley Manor, planted in amongst the herbaceous borders and mixed borders instead of being isolated in display beds. Here you can see that in the colour scheme of pink, white and mauve, the dahlias repeat along the length of this long border between the house and the main lawn, adding spots of colour all the way through. So here you can see the bright orangey red of these large flowered dahlias picking up the big orange hips from the shrub rows behind, and then on down to the red with a splash of purple from the hardy fuchsia in front. And moving along, the same dahlia contrasts with the purple leaves of the berberis on the end of the border. I think one of the elements contributing to their loss of popularity was the effort that dahlias can take if you live in an area where they need to be dug up and the tube has dried off and overwintered frost-free. And that is particularly true where I live. I'm on clay, in fact, as is Pashley Manor Gardens. And although the clay soil, if the tuber is planted 10 to 15 centimetres down, will not freeze, it's that sitting in the cold, damp, waterlogged soil all winter that's really going to be the death of them. Anywhere with a light, sandy soil that's much more free draining, you're likely to be able to leave them in over the winter and get a really good rate of plants that survive to flower again and again, because they are perennials, they're just not winter hardy. All in all, dahlias are a great addition to the September garden, and I love coming to visit somewhere with such a range. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.